Okay, let's talk about the incredible leap in computing power we've seen over the last 2 decades.
So, we're comparing a top gaming PC from 2007 to today's desktop AI machine. The difference is wild.
To really understand how far we've come, we've got to go back to a golden age for PC gamers. And in 2007, one graphics card ruled them all for its price and power, the GeForce 8800 GTS.
At the time, its complexity was just mind-blowing. Reviewers called it a monumental achievement.
And get this, it had 681 million transistors. That number was absolutely incredible back then. All that power was built for one thing, to kickstart a whole new era of realism in gaming. And that revolution was called DirectX 10. The 8800 was the first GPU ever built for it. Now, older software had this big problem called API overhead. Think of it like a traffic jam for data.
DirectX 10 was a game changer. It was built to be way more efficient, slashing that overhead.
And what did that mean for games? Suddenly, you could have these incredibly rich and detailed worlds.
But somewhere along the way, the whole mission for the GPU started to shift. It got a much bigger job.
See, GPUs weren't just for graphics anymore. Their design was perfect for juggling tons of tasks at once.
And that made them absolutely perfect for artificial intelligence. They learned how to think.
Which brings us to today. And this machine, this thing isn't for gaming, it's for building AI.
Yeah, we don't even measure its performance in frame rates. We use a whole new metric called AI TOPS. So what's a TOP? It's trillions of calculations per second, all tuned specifically for AI tasks. Inside, you've got a super chip. It basically fuses a GPU and CPU together to act like one giant brain.
Remember the memory on the 8800? This new machine has over 400 times more. You need that for big AI.
So, what's the big deal? It's not just about speed. It's about who gets to use this kind of power.
This is a total shift. Things that used to need a whole data center can now be done by one person. Think about it. The power of a server room from '07 is now on a desk. What will we have in 2040?